Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for Christopher in West Virginia on the Stryker SR-447HPC. Christopher, got it ready to go, bud. Just our standard tuned alignment per your request. Got your static 636L noise canceling microphone in the box ready to go. Just wanted to do a little short video on this, show you what we got. Roll the RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. Just a hair under 2 watts. Christopher, that's if you decide to run an amp, you'll have full adjustability. 15 all the way up, which is a very safe range for this radio. Hello, 50 bird average. Peak power, hello, 95 peak. Let's roll it all the way down. Hello, still about 95 peak. Now Christopher, run your SWR 1.5 or less. Hello, 1 2 1 2. When you key up, you see right there on the channel selector, it tells your SWR. I've got a 1.0 here on the dummy load, and you'll be golden. All right, we're gonna get it out to you, bud. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck, www.truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.